A day in the life of a solar contractor. We are doing an off-the-grid project, and we're connecting that water well all the way to the house. Battery is on the wall right there, and we're doing the ground mount there. We haven't started, we just marked it. These projects are very challenging. It's way too many materials, the logistics, especially because it's so far. But we like these type of projects. They're challenging, they're good, but sometimes it's good to get off the routine and do these projects that we have a lot of experience with. These are the ground screws we use. Why ground screws? We usually use an iron ridge, so we remove the actual auger so we can adapt that into the ground screws. But because we don't have any water, we had to use this system. But it's really safe and really good. It's like a giant screw that go on top. Then the vertical poles go right here in the racking. And then, of course, all the wiring, inverters, and panels. For this one, we use, of course, direct DC, Tygo optimizers. And for this one, we're using a Cummins generator of 13 kilowatts. This one is really good because it comes adapted to a 2-wire. So we don't need a 2-wire conversion kit for this one. Then we don't have a water source because we are connecting the water source. So we always bring, like a light vehicle just to go run errands and grab materials. The road is not even paved, not super easy access. So that's why we had to bring the heavy machinery. Something that is important to mention is that we're setting up right there a Starlink. There is no electricity, no water, no internet. So we are the ones that will supply everything. Something I need to mention, and let me show you this, is the battery we're utilizing is an EP Cube. The reason why we like to work with EP Cube is because they're one of the big manufacturers are there. EP Cube is owned by Canadian Solar. And let me show you this battery. So the great thing about this battery is that it comes with a smart gateway that has already an ATS. So that's another reason why we like it, is that we don't need an additional ATS, automatic transfer switch, for the generator. That's the inverter plus 6 battery modules. That is a 19.98 kilowatt hour setup. The cool thing about this inverter is that it can provide a 240 volt output. So yeah, this is a fun project, but it's pretty fun. It takes a lot of work. Almost 6:30 p.m. and we're on the last row. 28 solar panels, and I'm just covering the trench now. We're pulling wire to the last trench to the camper.
SunStar Solutions.